Hello, my name is Lilia Roepke and I'm here to talk about my midterm project presentation that is Giotto 50 semi-automatization of the selling process at Vinda Malaysia Site 2. My sponsor is Mr. Fernando Espinelli. Today's agenda is we're going to start with a brief project description, key objectives, then talk about our accomplishments, our sponsor, comments, to later see the schedule, scope, and budget changes and risks. Our project description is to research, document, and report the testing process of 3Giotto 50 machines that are designed to seal diaper bags, as you can see in the pictures. These machines have been used as conveyors for 15 years. We have we make two types of diapers. You can see our adults and kids diapers. Our accomplishments so far. First of all, tests were successfully conducted throughout the summer. I was lucky enough to make this project an actual internship and get on the hands job with these semi-automatic machines. It will be really hard to leave. Results were reported to the team each week and findings were discussed. Alternative solutions were shown and the C-type shooter was proposed. The C-type shooter is in place and in one of the production's line. We will see in the next slide. And finally, there was a modified kit order before the project was in place. I just had to contact the Italian manufacturer and then they delivered the kit to the plant, they put it in place, and it doesn't need any more adjustments. It's really doing a good job with the already Giotto 50 machines. In here, we can see the C-type shooter is our biggest accomplishment because after conducting testing, we found out that the main diaper making machine was not delivering the diapers aligned. So we have a big main maker machine, and then that one shoots the diapers for the sealing machine to seal the diaper bags. As you can see in the pictures, the diapers were not really aligned, which caused a huge problem because the diaper bags were placed in the sealing machine. The seal touched the product and we're a hygiene company and the product can never be touched. So my team and I came with the idea of the C-type shooter that makes sure the diapers come out of the main machine aligned and the Giotto 50 sealing machine can do its job correctly. A consistent good quality sealing is a key element to the quality total offering to the final customer, and we were able to achieve that. Our sponsor comments. Mr. Fernando insists in the use of proper terminology. It has been hard for me. And also, not to be so straightforward because of all the many different cultures. Sometimes people thought I was too hard on them. I'm guessing that has been one of my lessons learned, and it hasn't been easy. Things in different cultures and in different countries, you need to talk different. Also, a job was offered to me to continue working with the Giotto 50 machines, but I couldn't accept it. And my sponsor has been very satisfied with the project, and he's looking forward to the last month of work. Now, for the schedule, scope, and budget changes, we have been lucky enough to really not have many changes in the project scope or schedule, as different from the ones that are actually going to a university. The only change of the schedule was a positive one, and it involved working through the summer, as I already mentioned, and hopefully being able to finish the project before the expected day. For the scope, we initially wanted to implement the Giotto 50 machines in 5 production lines, but we were able to do it just in 3. We did not have the time or the space to do so in 5. And finally, we have never had a budget. For the schedule and scope risk, we took the risk of testing the machine without any proper experts. We all became experts after several tests, and now our team members are occasionally called for another productions line to assist in any Giotto 50 problems, which is funny. The machine has many issues: the temperature, the pressure, the gas, it burned out some pieces, many issues. We had to be very patient and day after day tweak the machine until it properly sealed our bags. And then the corona treatment came into place, and we learned that most of the printed bags have to undergo corona treatment to allow printing. The corona treatment is required for the ink to attach to the surface of the plastic bag. But you see the little baby and all of that, it needs to be corona treatment on both sides of the bag. So we found out that the bags have to have the corona treatment in the printed area, but in the seal area it doesn't have to have it, and it should not have it for the Giotto 50 to do a proper job. We added the implementation of our C-type shooter to our scope, and it worked. As a recap, we have talked about our project description and key objectives, accomplishments, and the C-type shooter, sponsor comments, changes, and risks. We have a schedule in our to-do list to show results to open management, which I'm very excited about, and our expected finish date is Monday, November 13th of this year. Thank you, and please let me know if you have any questions.